live, bro.
It's live.
Yeah.
What's good, my people? What's good? What's good? Let's send the links out here real quick.
Let me confirm.
Yes, live.
Shit, picture.
1.1K.
We me. I lost 5K.
Where's this?
Some guy over there saying he lost 5K.
I lost 5K. Crazy. Nah, it's this guy that I traded in CPI. I told them I'm not gonna trade. Then they said, nah, I wanna trade it.
Are you going live every day? Yes.
Of course. This channel will be live every single day. It will be with different people, different traders, but it will be live every single day. Trading for you guys for free, making you guys money, chilling with you guys. And the most important part, teaching you guys exactly how we actually trade, how we cash the trades. That's the main part, giving you guys a skill. That's the main thing. Bring the mic closer. Yeah, I'm going to now, bro. So just setting it up. Just taking out the headsets and getting the chat going here on my side also. On my phone.
You don't need the headset.
Nah. I'll just use this mic here. One time. So I can hear everyone like around me and stuff. But yeah, guys, welcome to the stream. Nice little 61 viewers going right here. Welcome back, of course. Yesterday I was on for the London session. We smashed it there. And now we are about to smash it for the NY session. What's up, Tsepo? How you doing, bro? Brandon, John, welcome back, bro. Shaquel, Samaai, we missing you here in the office, bro. We missing you here. But yeah, we're about to absolutely smash it. We can see gold is doing some nice moves right now. CPI, I personally never traded it. I know some people in my group did trade it and they did smash it with the buys on gold. So well done to them. But yeah, we are looking overall for buys on gold. For me personally, I'm waiting for a bit of a stronger pullback to the downside to a certain level of support or resistance to then retest it and then have a push to the upside. I told you guys the outlook for the day in the morning already, so you guys know exactly what we're looking for. And if we get it, we get it. If we don't, then we don't get it. It's just that simple. You guys know, you guys have been seeing these last few days, we haven't been taking trades every single day, right? Because we're trying to build discipline. It's December. The price action isn't the best, right? So with that being said, why would you force a trade in the market where you know that the price action isn't as it should be? Rather be safe than be sorry, because you don't want to be there now. December comes, you're in Cape Town, you're phoning your father, please give me 5K, I blew all my money. Nah, you want to know that you have money for December, guys. So let's just be safe, be cautious, and let's look for a simple trade here on gold. Alright, take that out. Just lower, yeah, there we go. Okay, perfect. So yeah, let's get straight into it, right? So you guys know, of course, 30-minute time frame, right? What are we looking for? Looking to build our house, support, resistance, your roof and your floor. So straight away off the bat, I can see that we have some very nice and clear levels. This is a level of support that was created the most recently. So I'll just type it in here. This is a level of support. We have up top here, seems to be quite a strong level of resistance that's been holding for the last few days. And we're going to try and trade off of it. We'll type here resistance. Then of course, since we have our structure or our roof and floor, we have to start building our rooms in our house where we can basically see the ball bouncing off of. So for that, you know, we're going to be scaling down to the lower time frames to be looking for our scalp entries. And you can see that in the zone, there's no rooms, right? Over here. So you can see also behind me right now, the main man himself, Mr. Kyle, walking behind us. And next to me, of course, the main patron, Marco. And the even bigger patron next to Marco, Alexander. But yeah, we're all here. Right now, we're about to look for some banger trades for you guys. It's not looking like there's anything right now because you guys know whenever we're in between a zone, we call this a no trade range, right? Because why would you look to take a trade when it's in between a range? It just makes no sense at all. What you have to do is you have to wait for it to get to either support or resistance to then say, okay, is it going to bounce from the support or break through, retest, that kind of stuff, bro. That's what the chat is saying. Yeah, the price is nonsense. Exactly, bro. Can I still buy or am I late? You way too late, bro. You're about An hour too late, I would say. Let's donate to me to recover losses. Crazy. This brew is tripping. Hope we can get something nice for the stream. Of course, bro. You know we always get something beautiful for the stream. We always smashing it. But for now, we're just going to wait for the market to get somewhere because it's really doing nothing right now. This is the scenario I'm going to be waiting for. Either it's going to get to the level of resistance and have a rejection for a sell, or it's going to break above, retest and a simple buy, taking it up there. Or the other way is just down here, break below and that there. And just down like that.
Yeah. There we go.
So either one of these two things can happen. We have to just wait and see. Depending on what happens, we'll react to the market and where it goes and then take a trade off of that.
Ask them what they think is going to happen.
Actually, that's a good one. What do you guys think is going to happen actually?
Do you think it's going to bottom or top?
Do you think number one, go up, retest and go further up, or number two, break below, retest and go further down? Number one or number two? Let's see what you guys think. To the 85 people we have here in the chat, let's see. What do you guys think? Thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro? It's a good phone, bro. I won't lie. I have to just go get the casing and stuff for it before I drop and break it. To just get it. Yeah, I just got it yesterday. The Pro Max is too big. That's the thing. It's like chunky. Like my hands can't even fit in it. I won't lie. Scene 2, 2, 1, 1. Let's say in drop. So it's mixed. Half of them are saying buy, half of them are saying sell. Interesting. Interessante. Personally, I want buys, but not from here. If it breaks above here, I feel like it's too high to buy already. I want it to come down to the support and then reject and then buy from there.
Like if it comes to that support, it's going to drop.
Think so?
Yeah. They push price to that support. They're going to push it lower. Yeah.
To here. Yeah.
Remember, it's this low that we took this high.
That high, yeah. So now we need something to take out this low over there.
We really remember that if we're putting in a high over here or even up here, that's a new high that needs a new low.
That's true. And then from there make a new high, new low. 100%.
Yeah, let's go make a nice video of us chilling, talking.
I was a silent observer. Exactly, bro. The same bias as Marco in the previous stream. Exactly, bro. Ra'is says he had the same bias as you from the previous stream. That's the way this guy was at our seminar.
It wasn't the same. Don't lie. It wasn't the same bias. I gave you the bias from the beginning. On my stream, I told you that.
You're looking for that?
No, we were remember we were coming in for this low.
Yeah, below, yeah.
Right? We're coming in for this low. It's that water block.
And then look what happened.
Which is obviously that demand zone. And price from there would then buy.
Buy from there, and it did perfectly.
But then it would be a buy to sell.
Yeah, it's just like this is the move, but the main move still gonna come. Now probably at 4:30. It should. Let's go, my people. We have 95 views in the chat. Let's get some likes going there. Let's get up to at least 50 likes right now. You guys know already what we do every single day. We have a like goal that we want. What is this now?
How about the Asian market this morning? That's where you would have taken your trade. That's where you should have taken your trade from.
In Asian.
So the closing supply zone.
Yeah.
For yesterday's closing range, that's where price tapped into today.
And from there moved off of.
So tapped into that as an order block.
Right. And then went.
Lower.
Damn. I would have traded Asian, but yo, I was too tired. I won't lie. Because I think I traded Asian on Monday, Tuesday, and then Wednesday I was too tired. So I said, nah, let me just leave it. And then today I said, nah, let me also just leave it one time. I need some sleep.
But you must remember now, because the news is also gone, they might just consolidate.
It might. It could definitely. I mean, look at the higher time frame as well. The higher time frame is literally just a bunch of nonsense. Look at this. And even like before this last week, this year, when I say this drove me nuts, bro, until it broke out. It was so annoying. Just the whole time, range.
Right now we're just ranging basically.
Yeah. Up there, down there. Up here. If you come down here, we know, okay, it'll go back up there, come down back there. This will probably be like the whole entire thing for the rest of the year until we get to next year.
Yeah, the fact that people think that. Do you guys think gold's gonna put in a new high before the end of the year?
Hmm.
Who
Do you
thinks-
guys think so?
Who thinks gold's gonna put in a new high at the end of before the end of the year?
Let's see what people think. To the 100 people that we have in the chat. Need more volume, can't hear you guys. Wait, let me put the mic closer here, like between us.
okay.
Like that. Yeah. Yeah, can you guys hear us now? Just let me know.
I think it might. Okay.
It's actually like very interesting to see.
Do you still post the signals on the group when you live?
Yeah, bro, I do. So if I'm taking a very high risk trade, then I don't. But if I'm taking like my normal trade that I would normally take, then I'll put the signal in the group. Like yesterday, we took a normal trade. I had I think 500, 600 pip trade. It was like a normal smaller scalp trade. Put it in the signal group one time. There's no need for me not to. It takes like 2 seconds. I just go and say I'm buying gold now, entry, stop loss, take profit, and done. But if I'm taking like these high risk, quick 5-minute scalps, then there's no point in that. That day I just leave it and just take it here on the stream for you guys. That's why I encourage everyone that's on the VIP group to come and watch the stream for completely free. I mean, it's 1 hour that you basically learn in how I trade. And the main thing is getting the skill. Yes, the signals are good to a point, but at some point you have to also learn the skill for yourself and learn exactly how to like trade. Because what if I die tomorrow? Then you have no more signals. Now what? So rather learn the skill for yourself. You know, at any time if you want to go by yourself and make money and trade, you can do so. We have a viewer from Indonesia. Crazy. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Gold is going to 5K. That's a madness before the end of the year.
Not a chance, bro.
That's I don't think that's possible. I won't lie to you. That's crazy. Sep was asking, guys, what's the daylight savings about? To my knowledge, it's basically just where the market opens up 1 hour later. That's all that I know basically about it.
It will be a simple. This is a simple task and understanding. If price breaks this low, we'll come to this level. It's as simple as that.
Yeah.
It's as simple as that. If price can give a changing of character at this level here, you can see price coming lower.
That's
Probably
support.
getting a reaction off here.
Mm.
So far, it's also just an understanding of the action of price. So what each candlestick is telling us.
Yeah.
Do this pose.
Because every candle tells you a story.
100%. Every single candle. Because here, so obviously price went up, came down, went up,
Came
came
down.
down, went up. So already, on this time frame,
This is fire, bro.
we've got a continuation taking place at that level. So should price come back up, which it did, came back into that fair value gap, just for it to
Go lower.
100%. Please don't know,
Just that simple. Now all that it takes is really just to have patience and just wait for the market to play out, and then from there, you do your job as I wouldn't even say a trader. I would say as an interpreter of the charts, because that's what a trader is. You have to react off of what the candles are showing you. You
Yeah.
read the candles, and then from
100%.
there, you
100%.
react off
I
of that.
mean, it's as simple as this. If we're going to look at just candles, in the sense of just candles, just candles, then it's very easy to say what the next candle is going to do. Because remember now that if this candle closes over here, it's got an advantage to go higher.
Higher,
Because
yeah.
high, it's going to take out this high. You understand? And normally when they take out a high, right? So you see where the next candle starts. So why would this candle come all the way down when it can just quickly
Take that high.
run that high and then come all the way down? You hear me? So it's pretty like trading
It's quite
simple.
simple.
People who
They overcomplicate it. I won't lie to you. They say now you have to do all of this crazy analysis and
no, there we go. You see, they took out that
The
high.
high.
You understand? Took out that high. Now they can come down and take out this
that
low.
low, yeah. 100%, yeah, because it's like so much closer to take out the high compared to the big guys pushing it all the way so much further down, take that low out and then go high.
100%. And now obviously if this candle closes over here right?
Mhm.
Then it's got an advantage to take this candle's
Right,
low.
exactly.
And if it takes this candle's low, what's stopping it
come
from
down.
taking this candle's low? You
Mhm.
get me? So it's just following a foot. It's like a footprint. Like
Literally.
Just following the foot.
You just go 1 foot at a time. 1 foot forward, 1 foot forward. Literally.
So this candle's going to open up over here,
Mm-hmm.
and like I said, you know, they could try go for that high, right? Once they take that high, they probably come for the low.
Well, exactly. Did you enter a trade net? No, we did not, bro. We never
No,
entered
no,
any
no,
traders yet. We did not.
There's no confirmation to enter a trade.
Exactly. We have to just be patient, just keep on waiting for the market to show us what we want.
We're just playing with candlesticks here.
Yeah, we're just trying to teach you guys how the candles actually work, because no one will ever teach you this here for completely free. This is like the actual source that you guys need. Like Tsepo was saying, be reactive. Don't try and predict the market. Rather just react off the market instead. That's the best way to do it.
So I'm just going to work on candlesticks.
Mm-hmm.
Simple. Since price took this candlestick, it's going to take this candlestick slow.
Down there. Just that simple.
Understand? And after taking this candlestick slow, right, we could have a reaction to take this candlestick
candlestick
slow.
low.
And because it's equal lows over here, we all know what that is.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody's like, oh, buy.
Buy the whole time.
It's crazy how people actually think that's equal. They get these equal lows and they're like, oh, yeah, this is a buy.
Say
this is a
double
buy,
bottom,
this is
we
a
have to buy right
and
now.
boom.
Straight down. Everyone's stop loss gone. Finished. It's crazy. And I know to the 120 people in the chat right now, it's happened to you guys before, where you see the so-called A+ setup where it's a double top, you have an engulfing candle, you go in with a buy, next thing, boom, you're down, stop loss is hit, now you start revenge trading, next thing your account's on zero. I know it's happened to you, it's happened to me, it's happened to a lot of people, and the only thing you can do for me is just learn from the mistake and like not do it again. That's the only way. But yeah, guys, let us know if you guys are enjoying the stream so far. We're about 20 minutes in, we're still looking for some trades, waiting, being patient. Let's get some W's in the chat right
there
now.
we go. What did I tell you? See?
Exactly, look at that.
Simple as that.
It's just too easy.
It's just understanding there. You know?
They're asking Marco, please analyze US30 for us for
Aye.
NYSE Open.
I'm a gold trader, guys. Yeah?
Can't go to US30. Now, but every stream, bro,
There
they
we
always
go.
say, please do GBP, JPY,
See? There we
do
go.
US30 the whole time.
Like I said, you know, they'll come into this fair value gap,
Hmm.
push price low, and take this low.
And now because it took that low, we can expect it to go even further down.
No, we have an order block here, yo. There's this order block over here. This is a very strong level. Could see price taking, might even break out this range.
Hmm.
But again, it's a 1 minute.
Yeah,
It's
that's
a
the
1
only
minute
thing.
order block, so it's not the end
Yeah.
of the day.
It's not extremely strong.
Nah.
Definitely enjoying the chat, the band, and the knowledge, of course, bro. We're just here to teach you guys at the end of the day. Give you
See
guys
now.
the skill.
Once again, we've got that fair value gap that's going to bring price lower.
Mm-hmm.
I was going to come in here, and they're going to tackle this level. They're going to tackle it, but there's going to be a lot of rejection at this level.
I also think so. Oh no.
But I mean, if we can box out just the consolidation, it's already been broken. So if we box out the consolidation, check this out. Box out this consolidation. Well, not yet. So if we can get a break below that level,
Mm.
which we're gonna get. Yeah, guys, throw fire emojis, throw the hearts.
Hmm. Is it difficult to learn and understand forex trading? Also, I don't get that question, but no, it's not difficult to understand.
No.
Trading. It's really not. If you actually apply your mind to it for like literally a few hours a day, and just learn one step more every single day, after at least like 1 or 2, maybe even 3 months at max, you'll know all that you need to know to actually become profitable.
Literally.
I wish I learned it in high school.
Mark
Bro, it's
must
never too
keep
late.
Joining the stream. I'm learning a lot from him.
That's the way.
I'm
that's
here,
the
my
way.
guy. Relax. I'm here, man. going nowhere. It's just candlesticks, like there. So you see how they're rejecting that level.
Yeah. From that
This order block's
level.
holding, but however, though, if they can't stay in this range, if they break out of this range, and they candle break out of this range, they'll take this low out. So if they close,
Yeah.
that cannot. Nah, no, I told you.
It's gonna go down.
Yeah. So if they close out of that box, it's over.
finished.
They're gonna take out this low.
It's gone.
Yeah.
Danzo. Also, guys, don't forget to leave us a subscribe on the stream, guys, because we have a subscriber-only chat. Of course, if you want to ask any questions,
There they go.
like talk to us in the chat, then you have to be subscribed to the channel. The goal, of course, is to get to 3,000
So there's that
subscribers.
reaction, you see.
Yeah, it's reacting off that level.
They can come all the way. The thing is that they can come all the way back
All back
into
up.
here just to show you that listen, we don't want to go lower.
Yep.
But now what people must also take into consideration is if this candle closes over here, it's got an advantage because it's going to open up over here.
Exactly, it has
If
a
it
right to
opens
come
up
down.
over here, it's definitely going to come lower.
100%.
So there's the candle.
I think
Next
it's gonna
candle
take
opens.
that. Yeah.
So it opens up bullish. It's going to close. Probably going to try close off this gap. That doesn't leave. Yeah, you see. This might be price going higher now because Marco teaches better than my math lecture. Simple and straightforward. That's trading, guys. You don't need to make it
I
complicated.
think trading is even more simple than this math
Trading
is
is
talking
so-
about.
I'm saying trading is so simple. Like people, I don't get people who are like, "Oh my gosh, trading is so difficult." It's like, what?
It's them that make it difficult. That's why they're crying.
So see, they're closing this gap, which so if they close a gap, it's just basically telling you that listen, we're reacting
Right.
off of this level because they're not leaving a fair value gap. They've closed. You see, they closed it off over here, came down, but didn't leave one over here for them to come lower.
Yeah.
So
now
there's
they have to make a
nothing
new
really,
one.
there's nothing really that's going to be able to hold price to come lower, unless we're going to look at this order block over here.
If it taps in there and then goes further down from there.
From there, we might drop. So
They're asking, did you sell? No, we did not take
No.
any trades, guys. If we do take a trade, then we'll tell you guys we're taking a trade now, and you'll see we put in the buy or sell tool if we do take a trade. But for now, we're just doing simple analysis. It's just teaching you guys about candlesticks, about how the market actually works. There's no trade right now.
so you want to get liquidity. Double lows, these equal lows. Price will use this order block to push itself low. It's gonna go up,
Till there.
tap into this level, and then push down.
Nah, because I know millions of people right now bought from that level there. And they posting on Instagram, they're saying we smashed it already from that level. Next thing, it's gone all the way down.
So obviously, a 1 minute's gonna give me a much better entry.
Yeah, it's going to give you a more precise entry.
I won't miss a move. So for price to go up here, so here we go. Tap into that order block,
And
and
boom.
then scoot.
So basically waiting for the price to either go to support or resistance in the 30-minute
Yeah.
time frame, basically, yeah.
That's the same thing. So
So what time frame are you looking at? Right now we're on the 1 minute time frame. We're basically just going candle by candle, trying to paint a picture of what the market wants to do. But of course, normally you guys know we will use like a higher time frame to actually analyze. We're just doing this here just so we can teach you guys like how the 1 minute time frame actually works, how the candlesticks print, all that kind of stuff.
so remember, when price is coming into your main,
Yes sir. Yes sir.
uh,
Nah, bro.
what do you call it?
Nah,
Your
no, no.
main
Have to lift him now.
supply zone or whatever the case is.
Yeah.
Now, 1 minute. Why? 1 minute shoots up, bro. Chop off if I can't.
Yeah,
Sorry.
chill.
I'm not, bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah, 100% bro. Nice. Alright bro. Sharp, send them.
So there we go. Price coming up.
Oops, I just doing anyhow for me, man. That's not bad thing.
Mm,
Oh, wait, I got a Candlestick.
Saying, do you guys both use the same strategy?
no,
Not at all.
very
we,
different.
we actually had a seminar together where we both taught our different strategies, and we
Mm.
were like both sat in each other's classes basically for it, and it's completely different. But one thing that is true that they both work.
Yeah,
They both work very well.
Mm.
Saying, what do you mean, or how do you mark the rooms when you build in the house?
What house? I don't know. You can
Yeah,
show
it's
you.
basically from like I was saying in the start, when I'm building my house on the market, you build the
Oh,
roof,
you
the
build up.
floor, support, resistance, and then you build the rooms inside. It's for like if you explain to like a child how it works, then you say that there, just so like people can
Oh,
understand
okay.
easily instead of
Mm.
saying go put this level here, that level there. So just build a
Okay.
house basically. But with the
Is it?
with the whole thing of the room and that kind of stuff, it's very simple, right? Let me throw it here instead of using the actual chart, right? If you have this here as your market, and you see that the market is doing this here, and it's creating levels, right? You see that, okay, we want to build our house, of course. So we have a level of resistance up top there. We have a level of support down here. Even put it even further down here, maybe. So you have here your resistance and your support, right? Then what you do is you scale down to your lower time frames to now look for internal structure to get your scalps, because you know that I'm a scalp trader. So instead of me looking to target this move on the 1 hour time frame from here all the way up to here, which is a very big range, I look to take a trade maybe say within here, from here just to here. Just a small move, that's all that I need for the day. I don't need to take any massive trades to make huge profits. So maybe the internal structure will show you that, okay, you now have like this here, support, resistance, support like that there. So what I'll look for then is I'll look to say, okay, within this house, we now have a support over here. It came there, it tapped it once, came back here, I'll buy over there just to here. Or it has a resistance maybe somewhere over here. I'll say, okay, we have now a breakout, a retest, and we buy from here and take it up to this level here. So this here is what you call your rooms essentially within your main zone or your main house. It's basically just there for scalps. So on the lower time frames where I put in these so-called rooms just to get these small scalp trades. But if I'm looking for a big trade, then of course I'll use my normal support and resistance levels and then wait for it to get to the level, have a reaction, whether it breaks out, retests, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I hope that answers your question. Just let me know if that does answer your question.
So, yeah, there we go. Done.
It's breaking below.
And yeah, no, that kind of needs to close below that level.
Mm. Cole's pushing down. Yeah, we've seen that right now, bro.
I could have told you that.
They're saying any Christmas promotion on the Holy Grail strategy, Mr. Marco.
Nope.
He says that if you get the Holy Grail strategy, you'll get a Christmas present by yourself because you know how to trade. You smash it one time. There's no need for any
Literally,
Christmas
literally.
promotions.
So,
These sellers here, bro.
see how price uses level. See, price use that order block.
We're not sellers, bro. We're marketing.
Did you see that?
Yeah, he did that level perfectly and came down.
Mm. Look at that. Look at how price tapped into that level and came down.
Bro, you know this guy's been asking the same question, bro, for days. This is Tsepo about
What's his
the
name?
BTMM strategy by Steve.
Marco, are you familiar with the? Yeah, it's more of a. It's based more on buying and selling. Oh, there we go.
Now it's pushing.
Buying and selling pressure. Almost like Wyckoff.
This, like, it's low-key a market that I don't want to be in. I just looking at it from this time from here, on my phone, it just looks, yo. It looks like it's gonna give me gray.
Yeah, this order block's gonna hold though.
That's clean.
Like that, eh?
That's clean, bro.
Please explain what is NFP. Damn.
See me tonight, okay, now.
Non-farm payrolls.
NFP is basically it's a news event.
Yeah.
It's called non-farm payrolls. And if you want to learn more about it, then what you can do, what I did when I was learning, is that I went to investing.com or to any news source for the economic data, and I literally just went onto that news event. I click on it, and they give you the entire breakdown of why it is. They literally tell you, okay, it has to do with non-farmer payrolls because of this, of that. In the USA, it affects the market like this. If it's bullish, this happens. If it's bearish, that happens. So just go over there to investing.com, go to a previous NFP, click on it, and you'll see exactly what it says. Gives you a full description, bro. Do any of you guys use TGR strategy? Nah.
Still gonna come lower. Not done.
And so now it's just NY open like right now.
Did it?
3 minutes ago, yeah. It's 4:30. 4:30. Yes, I was curious because BTMM strategy is $4,000. Crazy.
For Wyckoff? Fuck no.
That's insane. That's like what, like 80,000 rand? Madness.
Insane.
Just get the Holy Grail one time. Friday, you know you're there.
Yeah, I know. The Holy Grail is crazy business. That's your resistance. So
Yeah.
support, right?
Support, yeah.
Did you guys know that you can trade one candlestick? One candlestick. You know that? You didn't know that?
Now you do. Only one can is all you need.
So, imagine if we're trading just this candlestick to take this low. Well, let's wait until. Okay, no, that's going to take too long. That's gonna
Insane.
take too long.
BTMM stands for beat the market maker.
Yeah, it's like Wyckoff.
Mm.
Remember that? So remember, price always in a range. There's always a high and a low,
Mm-hmm.
a high and a low.
So now we need a
So-
high and a low.
We're just gonna be having a high and a low,
Mm-hmm. Literally.
and then another high and a low.
Another one again. The whole time is high and low, high and low. They're asking if your strategy is the one from FX War Room.
No. What the hell's that?
I don't even know.
No. What is that?
FX War Room is this other guy.
What is that?
Isn't it that Indian Bruella?
On our podcast, let's talk about me, but nonsense. Hella lies.
How do you get a buy or sell for news? Only fundamentals or just technicals?
No,
For
my
me-
my strategy gets me entries like this. Let me show you. Let me show off a little. Yes, sir.
Flex on them a little bit.
Let me show you the Holy Grail and the entries you get.
But for me personally, I don't really trade news a lot. So sometimes it's like,
news is a problem.
like just for the fun of it, maybe I'll just go and say, okay, I'm gonna buy an FP today. Literally, if I wake up on the right side of the bed, I'm gonna buy. Left side, I'm gonna sell. Literally. Damn. That shit sniped.
I know. See that? That's where we came in. Right there.
And the same one man's flex, another man's inspiration, exactly.
I've been holding.
Nah, Marco's been holding for long, but isn't it from that time when Alex was still in that office? When I just came here.
No. I closed that position.
You close it up.
I closed that position and I took one on the new leg.
Damn.
So you see here,
Crazy.
I came in and retested.
Mm.
All it did
Oh
was
shit, I see.
see, all it did was it broke. After breaking, so remember it broke this level. After breaking
Right
this
above
level,
there.
right, it came and price pushed all the way up,
Mm-hmm.
right, and then finally it gave me an order block.
To trade off of there.
Yeah, and then when price gave me
Crazy.
that order block, traded off that.
Mm. And it's been holding ever since.
Yeah, I know.
Madness. So for one, can you donate me an old iPhone? That phone's been sold, bro, already. It's already gone to the new person, bro. I sold it today.
There's that order block.
At the bottom, yeah, I see it. And perfect off of the
Yeah, straight up.
rejection week gone. Beautiful, I won't lie. The
Yeah,
charts.
From there it was gone.
Charts are beautiful, I won't lie to you, bro.
But that's the thing. It was like,
All they do is
I feel like that's basically the Holy Grail. So the reason we call it the reason I call it the Holy Grail is
Yeah.
because you'll get like a
Sniper entry.
Sniper
Mhm,
entry. Like
100%.
you'll get a perfect entry where
No drawdown,
you
nothing.
hardly get any drawdown. Yeah.
And it's straight up there. Now that's the way.
There we go.
Going for the down. Like Marco said, making the high, making the low now. It's coming down.
Simple as that.
Why you want it all again? Those
I don't know what they even say in the chat. Gold is melting. Oh, I wouldn't say
Not
melting, but
remember now we have this fair value gap over here.
between there.
you don't care.
But if they violate this fair value gap,
Then you can actually melt.
then we could mount.
I think so too, I won't lie. I think so too. Gold is sitting up for a buy. Yeah, it's a half, I won't lie. It's on. I'm on the fence for today. I won't lie to you.
I feel like
Screenshotting my car, bro.
mm,
I was already screenshotting. I was like, I'm walking on bike. That's bitch on. I need this next one. Nah, I need this. This is this, bro.
the problem is that
Then I want to make this video.
when this candle closes over here, it's got an advantage to go lower.
It goes away.
If it closes over here, it's got an advantage to go
Go
lower
lower,
than
yeah.
go higher.
100%. It has way like a much bigger range to go and cover to go up compared to coming down. It's easier for the market just to say
100%.
down.
Mm.
Way easier.
Copy this video, bro. That's why I'm actually gonna get it this year. And I'm gonna do it smart one. My year, bro. That's me. 2026. Yeah, that's.
But again, look at the power of 3.
To be thirsty, no money, no in a rush, please.
So
Check my free.
if we're gonna look at the if you look at the power of 3, or the 50-minute time frame, even a 1 minute, 1 minute time frame,
Real car lava.
yeah, power of 3. So
Most of it's my work.
this was the consolidation.
Same thing, bro. Honestly, hanging out with that other blue. That's cars one.
Okay. Consolidation,
Mm-hmm.
your manipulation,
And then your expansion.
and then your expansion, yeah, your distribution. So that has taken place,
From there.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you might just find out that now it's a consolidation
Literally the whole
that's
time.
going to take place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, whenever we're in a consolidation, you typically don't want to be in that market because, especially for traders that aren't holding, like, I mean, if you swing trading, of course, you don't care about that. But if you're day trading it and trying to make your profits within a few hours, then of course it's not worth it for you to have that headache to say you have to hold through this now where it's just bouncing up and down. Rather wait for it to actually give you a proper move instead.
Yeah, you see now, in the 1 minute we've had a change of character.
Probably there.
So in order for this to be invalid now, we need price to do something like this
Yeah,
to
break
validate the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
If it just continues going down without going above that high,
Yeah, no, look at that.
it's a big dump, I won't lie.
Not really. It's a 1 minute candle. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah, that's true also. If it was on a 5 or 50-minute time frame, then I would say, okay,
Yeah, no.
that's bigger. Interessante. Would be perfect buys on the support zone if it's respected. Possibly, bro. If it is respected. If it's not respected, then we know we have to just adapt to it and just look for the opposite direction.
So if they break this level and they come back into this range, it's done.
Mm.
Gold will then dump. Hey. The buys don't look strong.
Not at all, I won't lie. The buys don't look, from these candles here that I'm seeing right
They
now,
look
they don't
very
look
weak.
strong at all. Remember, guys, if it was strong, then we would have had a reaction off of it
Oh, no,
immediately.
100%.
If we see that, okay, it's coming there, it's trying to go up, it's then being rejected down,
So
you
there we
know that
are
it's not
at the
being strong.
support zone, guys. But look at that candle, guys. Aye, aye,
I think it's gonna go down. I won't lie to you, bro.
aye. Aye, aye. That candle. Aye, aye.
Manipulation.
That candle.
Distribution. Manipulation. Distribution.
No, but it happened. Check here. Power of 3. 1. Consolidation. Manipulation. Distribution.
Yeah.
Now. Hey, now I don't know what this market's doing.
Pass me more water, Stefan. Show my brother.
Okay. But now. Hey. Guys.
These guys want this market to drop.
This guy can't pay.
I look at that.
Nah, I think it's gonna come down, eh?
It violated that level.
Hmm.
Hey,
time.
whoa, 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 I told you about this order block. Look at this
Damn.
order block. Mm-mm.
Yeah, you don't counter out this yet.
No, 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 no. There's a huge order block at this level.
Yeah, you can come and put him on this.
That was violated, but there's a huge
Down,
order block at
down
this
below
level.
there. Yeah.
Doesn't mean price is just gonna break through that level. No way.
Nah, you must pay. Yeah, I did clients with him. You must pay before.
Things just dropping, bro. Show it.
It's a sell. It's a sell. Full
I
market.
gave this signal. I gave
gave
this
you
signal.
I gave you signal. Full market.
If
Oh,
they
no.
if they violate that candle, we are fucked.
Hey, that's very well.
Bona, trading
We
view.
are F people. If
We are
if it
finished.
violates this candle, if it violates this level, yeah, this level is
Down
not even
there.
gonna hold. With all the people who said, gold's gonna make a new high.
Now we can go see them. They're all the way up top there in the chat.
They mark, but it's just. Chill, yeah. Put one. Forget. Set and forget.
Next candle opens up over here. You must remember now, they have a better chance of taking out that low.
And going all the way back up.
They have a better chance of taking out that low than going all the way up.
Yep. How many pips is that one candle dropping? I don't even know, bro. A lot. A lot. I won't lie to you.
But just follow the gingerbread man. Watch. Go to 1 minute time frame. There we go. Just follow the gingerbread man. This candle closes over here. The next candle will come.
It's a M4.
Close over here. Closes. Closes. See? Just follow. Follow the footprints, guys.
Using for something else.
Is it here? Not it today. Nah, it's proper still. 135 also is a machine.
No, but this is a machine that they full bro.
Mm.
Really, you almost lost control there.
Not a fuck, I don't know.
But check this.
Almost
They keep
Ooh, a sliding.
they keep respecting these fair value gaps, and that's a problem on my side because
Okay, let's go look. It's a funny industry by itself.
wait. I want this low to be violated. So I can be.
Oh, you want us to be violated, huh? Oh, let me show Marco who's coming with tonight.
Huh?
Let me show you who's coming with the girl. The
Mhm.
girlfriend. Look here.
They're saying, so should we wait for the break of that level first and then enter, wait for it? Of course, it's always better to wait for a retest, bro. The retest gives you more confirmations for your entry. I was one of those that called a buy, but that's why I can't, exactly, bro. That's why confirmation matters so much, because yes, you can call a buy, but if you actually execute on it because you're waiting for your confirmations, then
You could buy at this level,
yeah.
but that fair value gap will drop you.
Mm.
Up to
Just
you
keep it
though.
as small and then down, and down the whole time.
Yeah, no, 100%. They're gonna come down again.
If must, that's all.
Wonderful shot.
Let's remove all these drawings. I'll show you something.
2,300 on the clock. You have not been driving around.
That's good, bro. Even you see me with that M on the cloud,
drop.
from there to there.
Where we going? Where?
I'll pick up the cheek, bro.
Where?
I'll put it on the maps, bro. No way.
No, man. Actually, I don't want to drive far.
It's not too far.
Where is it?
It's like 20 minutes.
I mean, it's the airport.
No, not the airport.
Where?
I'll give you the area now. You got me, I got you, bro. Don't worry, bro. Bro, these guys who make good jaws, bro. Relax. You should have never put out that message before good jaws.
Because now all the bro, what I just say, bro. The whole time.
Who can? Let's actually test these guys. So, if I had to ask you, is price in an uptrend or a downtrend?
What would you guys say? Is price in the uptrend right now, or is it in a downtrend right now? Let's see if the people know.
It's just possible drifting, right?
Downtrend? Nope.
The broellas are sleeping. Can you guys please speak into the mic? No state, bro. We will talk louder for you.
Okay. Explain to me now, why is it in a downtrend?
Yeah, don't just say it. Explain why you're
Neither.
saying
Oh
it.
no, definitely
It's one
doing
of the
something.
two.
What is it doing? Okay, so why is it in an uptrend? Overall, guys, overall, what is price? Are we in a downtrend or in an uptrend?
High lows and low lows. Eh. Isn't that the opposite? Long term bullish, short term bearish. High because of the higher time frames. Previous higher low has
So
been
let me tell you
broken.
why you guys. This is
Crazy.
let me tell you why you guys get smacked in this market. Let me quickly show you.
Oh my god.
So here's a 1 minute time frame, right? Mark out that low, mark out this high. So this low, where is it? This low started this move. You agree with me, ne?
Mm-hmm.
This low started this move. So we'll take this as the low. And, and this is the high. Okay? So you can clearly see that price violated this high, went up. Now, because price couldn't take this high out, right? It obviously wants to come and take the low that did what? Created this high.
Mm-hmm.
Because you see, price can't go higher. Let me teach you guys something. Price can't go higher than this level if it doesn't take this low out. Listen to that again. Price cannot go higher than this level if it does not take this low out. It needs to put in a low that's lower than the previous low in order to create a new high. Price must put in a new low before it puts in a new high. But now, let's look at this. So basically we're in a consolidation, let's be honest. Like
Yeah. That's true. That's very true.
100%. Now, every time you look, so let me teach you guys about protected highs and protected lows. So here's a high. What does price do? Violates that high, right? But if you look, when price was coming up, right, and then it pulled back. So price went up and then it pulled back, right? You can clearly see, right, that a new leg started, right? So a new leg started and price went up. And this is the leg that violated this high. You agree with me?
Mm-hmm.
Right? So if we look carefully, this leg created this high, which failed to take out this high. So this leg is non-sonso. And price will take it out. See? See, this is how you trade, people. So now you understand that
Hijack my stream.
Nah, I'm chilling, bro.
Hijack my stream.
but we all learn from each other.
Yeah, exactly. And yesterday I was talking for 1.5 hours straight. I'm tired of
Really?
talking.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
Really?
yeah. On the because I was also streaming yesterday alone.
That's a long time
Yeah.
to talk the whole time. I'll get mad. I don't
So-
know how you guys do this.
So once again, this low created that high. But if you look carefully, right? If you look carefully, when price violated this level, see this low? That low got violated. See?
Mm-hmm.
That low got violated. All price is going to do is come back down and continue to violate these lows. Why? Because these lows failed price. They're not protected lows. So we can't, take them in as protected lows. They're not protected lows. Right? A protected low is a low that starts the actual move. So the only protected low right here, right now, is basically this. That's a protected low.
All the way down there.
Everything else, you could just see gold doing this. But those who think that gold's going for a new high, wishful thinking. Wishful thinking. You think gold's going for a new high?
Gold. Gold. Go
Okay.
below it.
Be honest, do you think gold's going for a new high?
Not now. I think only next year, but not anytime soon.
Not this year. Look at all this rejection, man.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, it's too much of rejections to push straight through
So
that.
let me tell you what's happening here. Now you see this auto block. Very strong level.
The only way gold
That's going
makes
to
a new
keep
high
price
is if Trump comes and says,
something stupid.
"I'm buying gold."
Maybe.
That's when he's making the new high. Other than that, which will never happen. So I highly doubt it. But I'm low-key seeing buys now
Wait,
on gold.
is it?
Yeah, like a small scalp trade.
Gave a signal.
Yeah, I gave it out to my group. Though.
What's happening?
Oh shit! Wow, we smashed it our own life.
Yeah, we smashed it, bro. We smashed it. I don't know what we smashed.
Not like right here. We hit it like 1 minute ago.
Is it?
Yeah, and I'm out already. That's what?
Are you in?
Yeah,
When you make 2K,
I'm out.
are you out? Guys, that's the only time you're going to take a trade to sell. See that? Only time you're taking a trade to sell. This doesn't happen. Don't take a trade.
What's in the worry you are?
Do not take a trade if this takes place, guys.
Money marks on the ground.
Yeah?
Money marks on the ground.
Actually, this. See, when this takes place,
Mm.
then, yeah, I would say sell. Until that, guys, don't trade.
Literally, just be patient with it. There's no need to go and trade. Like what? Just chill out.
They like things, they'll trade and they'll blow their accounts. Leave them. On a 1 hour, follow structure, people, follow structure. We haven't broken any lows, nothing. We haven't violated any lows.
Literally. So
Nothing.
why would he make a new high if he doesn't take out lows?
We haven't if you look over here, high, protected low, high, protected low, high, protected low, high. So if that's a high, then we need to break that low. Otherwise, don't trade, people. Don't trade.
Just be safe. Be safe, then be sorry.
Are we done?
Yeah.
15 minutes.
What do you say? You see, hit the stops, then rise. I'm not sure what that means. According to your analysis, we should sell. No, according to the analysis,
No,
we
there's
should
no
go
selling.
home and sleep.
Nobody should be doing nothing.
There's no buy, there's no sell.
Look here. Price went up. Let's look at structure, people.
Mhm.
Up, down,
Up.
up, down,
Up.
up, down. Now, did we violate any lows? Let's look. Did we violate this low? No, we didn't. Did we violate this low? No, we didn't. Did we violate this low? Not
No,
yet.
we didn't.
So until you violate these levels, we have no trade. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Couldn't be more simple. So price going up. So I'll give you guys a signal. If you see a pattern like this on the 50 minutes, then wait for a fair value gap somewhere over here. You'll thank me later.
They even said on the chat that Safari is on a buy trade. Yes, I'm in a buy trade on my signal group because that's where the real source is at. I'm not gonna give out a trade here when we're about to end the stream. There's literally 1 minute left before we end the stream. I can't give out the trade here and then end the stream, and then you guys aren't in the VIP group, and then you guys don't know what I'm doing. So that's why I didn't give out the signal here. But yes, we caught already 750 pips on the gold buys in the VIP signal group.
There we go. Got a sell from Marco from 4,320 to 4,315 after Marco's live stream. Done for the day.
That's
I don't
perfect.
need anything more.
Literally one trade for the day and you're done. There's no need for anything else.
Unless you see those guys, you don't trade.
And before we end the stream, guys, we have 135 viewers. Let's get some likes, guys. We gave you guys the source of the source. No other chef will give you this kind of source right here, guys. Just go ahead, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, of course. Help us reach our goal of getting to 3,000 subscribers, guys. That's the goal before the end of the year. We're going to end the streams, I think, by like the 23rd or the 24th of December. So let's try and get there. We're only about 600 subscribers away from 3,000 subscribers. So make sure you liked, make sure that you subscribe, and let's smash it, guys. But with that being said, my people, we are going to be signing out for today. Of course, you know, tomorrow, it's a Friday. It's a beautiful day to be alive, and we will be streaming again tomorrow. Not sure who exactly will be on the stream. If it'll be Andy, if it'll be Marcellino, myself, Marco, who it will be. But it will be one of us, definitely.
And forever.
And forever, no, bro. We end it just for now. We'll be back again tomorrow. You guys know the stream times is 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock in the morning and
Drop my
4 o'clock to 5 o'clock.
Drop my socials. What's my socials? At what?
Marco the entrepreneur.
At the entrepreneur SA. Is it SA?
Yeah, the entrepreneur.
Yeah, the entrepreneur SA.
Yes, yeah.
Let me just double check. Yeah, the.entrepreneur.sa. So such a good team.
Mr. Sash, I
The-
can't see any.
Dot entrepreneur dot SA.
Have a good night, future millionaires. Oh, indeed we will.
Exactly.
Me and Marco are gonna have a great night.
Hey, this one's dragging me places, yo.
I'm not. We already spoke about everything, so let's stick to the time. It's new in life. Something different for once. The same stuff all the time.
Me.
This is gonna happen.
Guys, you only so. Let me show you one more time. No, let me show you one more time. One more time. One more time. See ya. Don't say I didn't warn you. If price doesn't come below this level, don't take a trade. Do not take a trade. Price must come below this level. Then you're going to look for a pattern like this. Price coming down, coming back up, to come back down. You are going to catch this move. This
That's
move,
sell day.
that's the move you're going to catch. You might only catch it tomorrow though, but I'm just saying. You'll catch that move, even maybe later tonight. Who knows?
Yeah,
But-
whether it be tomorrow or
yeah.
the next day, as long as you know that you're gonna cash it.
That's the move you're going to catch. But if price does this,
Marco is on. He's ready, bro. Marco, you like the best mentor, you got an answer for everything, dog.
but if price does
You got an
this,
answer for everything.
if price does this, we're looking for the exact same thing. The only difference is
The other way.
that, which I highly doubt. But it's possible, but also highly possible. So you don't take a trade if price doesn't break this level. Because remember, guys, if price breaks a level like this, it's a continuation to say, hey, guys, we're buying.
It's time.
But if you want to trade him, it's chai for you if you're going to trade in between here. Chai.
100%. That's why even with my entry, I entered all the way down there. That's why it was fine for me to enter. I'm not entering like now when it's
People who trade
really
like
high.
this, oh, let's buy, let's sell.
Nah.
let's buy, let's sell.
I won't
And
lie,
then-
sometimes I do
and
shit
then
like
price
that.
does this, check, price
You
does
just say
this,
that, then they sell.
comes back into the range, and then
Can you imagine? Nah, that's rubbish right there. Imagine if something like that happens.
no, but that's the thing. It happens. That's what people don't understand.
On
You're
NAS
in a
100,
consolidation. You're in a
Remember when you were doing your mentorship was like booming back then? That NAS 100 was
Mhm.
doing that all the time when you were catching the last moves.
Oh yes.
all the time.
No, but the thing is that that's the thing. Price will consolidate, right, to get buyers and sellers involved. Because you must remember, most of these guys are scalping in and out, 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 and then all of a sudden, price breaks up, and they think now because price is broken out of this level, it's a chance to buy, right? So what happens is they consolidating, right? Buying, selling, building up liquidity, and then all of a sudden price does this. And what does everybody do? Oh, it's time to buy, right? And what they don't realize is the next candle is the most important candle, because the next candle will be a red candle, and if it comes back into the range, then this wasn't a violation. You see, we need a green candle to break out of this level. So if there's a
Nah, it is me.
candle,
I just got a signal, that's why.
if there's a candle that does that,
Then the phone going off the whole time is me sending messages.
I know.
Hey?
That's
what I'm saying is, if there's a candle that does that, and that's a
winning signal,
bearish,
bro.
and that's a bearish candle, it means that price came back into the range, which means that there was no violation for price to go
Oh,
higher.
yeah.
All they did was sweep all the
The
buys
Mhm.
that were, all the sellers that were sitting at the top, and then you find out that price finally goes the
Down.
totally opposite
Yep.
way.
And all those guys that got wiped out.
Yeah, 100%.
Just stopped, they
Let's
crying.
end it, guys.
They do this all the
Let's get it
time.
back.
They're gonna
100%.
from now until 5, 6. They're just gonna
Range the whole time.
generate liquidity.
That's fact.
Come later on, just before they close. Take
Go on.
everybody out of the market.
Okay, end this.
But yeah,
Let's say
guys,
goodbye
with that
because
being
our
said,
timing is done.
We are out. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay,
London session.
Say goodbye, Marco.
Bye. Do you think it's safe to say you can use both of the guys' strategies? I mean, you can use whatever you want.
Yeah.
Whatever
As long as
suits
it-
your